Filing a claim for accidental discharge of water. 1. Contact your insurance provider. Start by contacting your insurance company immediately. You'll need to explain the situation, including how the water was accidentally discharged, burst pipe, appliance malfunction. Be ready to provide details such as the date, time, and extent of the damage. 2. Review your policy. Check your home insurance policy to confirm that accidental water discharge is covered. Most standard homeowners policies cover water damage resulting from sudden, unintentional incidents, like a burst pipe or an appliance leak, but exclusions may apply, particularly if the water damage is due to lack of maintenance. 3. Document the damage. Take photos and videos of the affected areas. This includes the water source, the damaged items, and any standing water. Make a list of damaged property and inventory affected rooms. The more detailed and comprehensive your documentation, the stronger your claim will be. 4. Prevent further damage. You are generally required to take reasonable steps to prevent additional damage to your property. This could mean shutting off the water supply, moving furniture, or using towels to soak up excess water. Keep receipts for any immediate actions you take, such as hiring a professional to stop the leak. 5. File the claim. Follow your insurer's claim process, submitting the necessary documentation, photos, video, inventory, and receipts. A claims adjuster may be assigned to inspect the damage in person. Be sure to keep records of any communications you have with the insurance company. 6. Work with the adjuster. When the adjuster arrives, cooperate fully. Provide them with any additional information or documentation they may need to assess the damage. They may inspect the property to determine the cause and the extent of the damage. 7. Get estimates for repairs. Depending on your policy, your insurer may require repair estimates or bids from contractors before approving the claim. It's advisable to get multiple estimates for repairs. 8. Receive your settlement. After the claim is processed, your insurance company will either issue a payout or a repair authorization, depending on the circumstances and policy coverage. Best ways to dry out a house after accidental discharge of water. 1. Remove excess water. As quickly as possible, remove standing water. Use a wet/dry vacuum, mop, or towels to soak up as much water as you can. If the water is substantial, consider renting a commercial pump to remove it more efficiently. 2. Use dehumidifiers. Place dehumidifiers in affected areas to draw moisture out of the air and help dry surfaces. This is especially important for preventing mold growth. It may take several days, depending on the severity of the water exposure. 3. Increase air circulation. Open windows, if the weather permits, to allow fresh air to circulate. Use fans to promote airflow, particularly near walls, carpets, and other areas where moisture has accumulated. Aim for 24/7 fan use to keep air moving as much as possible. 4. Dry carpets and upholstery. If carpets or upholstery are soaked, use a carpet cleaner or rental equipment to extract as much moisture as possible. If you can lift the carpet, make sure to dry the floor underneath as well. Consider professional cleaning if the water has deeply soaked the material. 5. Check for hidden water. Water can get trapped in walls, ceilings, or under flooring. Use moisture meters, if available, to check these areas. If necessary, cut small holes in the drywall to help water escape and allow for better drying. 6. Inspect for mold growth. Mold can begin to form in as little as 24 hours after water exposure. Keep an eye out for musty odors or visible mold. If you see mold, clean it promptly using appropriate cleaning solutions, mild detergent or mixture of water and vinegar, or hire a mold remediation specialist if necessary. 7. Monitor the drying process. Be patient. Complete drying may take days or even weeks, depending on the amount of water and the humidity in your area. Keep checking the moisture levels in various areas and continue using fans and dehumidifiers until the house is fully dry. 8. Consider professional help. If the water damage is extensive, hiring professionals may be necessary. They can use industrial drying equipment and specialized techniques to ensure that your home is thoroughly dried and prevent future issues like mold. By acting quickly and carefully, you can reduce the damage from an accidental water discharge and prevent future problems like mold or structural damage. For more information, get a copy of KISS Study Guide for Public Adjusters from Amazon.com.